Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure you have a new battery specifically designed for the Asus UM325U model. Begin by shutting down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's also advisable to remove any external devices connected to the laptop. Once everything is disconnected, place your laptop upside down on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 to 12 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam around the back cover. Carefully pry the cover off, taking your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery. You will see the battery secured by additional screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, check for any hidden screws that may still be holding the battery in place. After the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This can usually be done by pulling it straight out, but make sure to do this with care to avoid damaging the connector. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that it's seated properly and securely. Once connected, replace the screws to secure the battery in place. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using a soft brush or canned air. Keeping your laptop clean can help with performance and longevity. Now, place the back panel back on and press down gently to snap it into place. Replace the screws that you previously removed, ensuring that they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, plug your laptop back in, power it on, and check to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly. You can monitor the battery status in the system settings. If everything looks good, you're all set. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.